All right, 7th and 8th graders, jumping on this video today to help you guys with some infinitives and participles. So on Monday, you guys actually talked about perfect tenses. And I'm just backing up just a slight bit. Okay, perfect tenses being you have your present, your past, and your future. Present meaning something's happening now. Past, it already happened. Future, it's going to happen, right? And you've done those three all the time, but now you have these perfect tenses, which are things that are are going to happen. It's all about the timing and how things are happening in time. And so we're going to take just a little glance at some of this principal part business today. We're just doing 2 pages to give you guys a chance to get caught up on other things that perhaps you missed. But let's just talk about this, okay? So, something that started in the past but continues. That's what we were talking about on Monday with the participles. So, it started in the past, a past participle, but it's continuing. All right? I have talked to my friend. All right, it started in the past. I'm still talking to my friend. It is a past participle. All right, something that was a previous action, that is something that is past. Like going to school is something that happened in the past. All right, something that is continuous, that's present participle. All right, it happened and it is still happening. It is a present participle. And then something that is the base form is called the infinitive. And let's look at what that means in this next little section. All right. So if we look at these sentences on 5, 6, 7, and 8, I am riding a bike. I rode a bike. I ride a bike. I have ridden a bike. So if we look at the verb of each of those sentences, you're looking at am riding, rode, ride, and have ridden. All right. The base root of all this, the base verb is ride. So that base, I ride a bike, is called the infinitive. All right. Now, when you change it to show time, that's when it starts becoming something else. So the past tense of ride is rode, right? I rode my bike. Now, I am riding. Is that happening now, or is that something that had already started and will continue later? I am riding. It's happening right now. So that is something happening in the present. It is continuous. Whereas I have ridden, it started in the past, and it's continuing, but it had ridden. Have ridden is already started, okay? And so that is a past participle. All right, so you're going to go ahead and you're going to fill in the blanks. So like the present tense of go is happening now, okay? We go to my grandma's house. And then look at go in the past participle. We have what? We have gone. Okay, so use what you have, and then it also helps if you read the sentence and use context clues. All right, really fast, let's go over this again on the other side. All right, so just to review this again, okay, if you add the verb is, it's something that is happening, it's continuous. We are doing it, that's what is means. It is a present participle. What was the name for the base of a verb? The infinitive. If you add ed to the end of a verb, it is past tense. And then if you use have plus ed, that's our past participle. Okay? So let's look at the verbs again. Has rung, is ringing, rang, and rings. All right, which one of those is the root verb? The root verb. The verb all by itself. Okay, I am hoping you guys are choosing 8. Number 8, rings. Okay, that's the infinitive. That's the root. All right, what is rang? She rang the bell. Okay, it has no attachment of any helping verb. All right, so it is our past tense. And then you need to look at the attachment. Is ringing versus has rung. One is past, one is present. Okay, which one is starting and continuous, and which one is started in the past and is continuing. Is ringing, just because of that verb is right there, we know that this is an action that is continuing. If an action is continuing, it is happening in the present and is a present participle. Versus has rung, it's past tense with its little helper on it, which is a past participle. All right, so go ahead, you're going to do the same thing on this side and put the correct form of the verb on the line.